Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 operating system. So Eclipse is mostly written in Java and it's primarily used for developing Java applications. But you can install some plugins related to some other programming language like C, C++, Erlang, Groovy, Haskell, PHP, Python, and so on to develop those languages also. Now, before installing Eclipse, make sure that you have Java installed on your Windows 10 operating system. And I have already created video on how to install Java JDK on your Windows 10 operating system. So most probably I will put the link in the description so you can watch that video. And once Java is installed on your Windows 10 operating system, you are ready to install Eclipse IDE. So let's start download Eclipse. So for this, you just open your favorite browser and then search for Eclipse, and the first link which will appear here will be from eclipse.org. So I am going to click on this link. Once this eclipse.org website is open, you can see on the top of this download button. So I am going to just click on this download button, and when I will scroll down little, and you can see this option which says Eclipse IDE 2020-09. So then the download button for 64-bit. So I'm going to click on this button, download 64-bit. And here you can see once again this download button, it is going to show you the location which is nearer to you. So now I am going to just click on the download button, which will start the download of this Eclipse Win64 exe file. Actually, I have already downloaded this exe file, that's why I cancel this. So this is our downloaded file. So I am going to just double click on this exe file. You can see Eclipse installer has been started. After few seconds you will be able to see this kind of interface, and here you can choose whatever language to develop on Eclipse, so you can choose that language. But for example, if you want to develop your C++ application, you can choose this third option. If you want to develop PHP, you can choose this PHP option here. So okay, I will choose this option, Eclipse IDE for Java developer. This will be the location where you have already installed Java on your Windows 10 operating system. So Eclipse will recognize Java installation on your Windows 10 operating system, and you can see the default location where Eclipse IDE installed on your Windows operating system, and then click on install, and then accept license terms and conditions. So when I choose Eclipse IDE for Java developer, you can see description here. The essential tools for any Java developer including Java IDE, a Git client, XML editor, Maven and Gradle integration. Now you can see that the installation is completed. you can see Eclipse icon on my desktop, and you can also see green launch button. When I click, it will start the Eclipse IDE on my Windows operating system. So I'll just click on this launch button, and when Eclipse IDE start for the first time on your operating system, it will ask you a directory as a workspace. So this will be the location where all your projects will be saved on your Windows operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave as default and check this option, don't ask again. Then click on launch button. Now this Eclipse IDE has been started. This is the first welcome window you will see when you start your Eclipse IDE. So from here you can click on the restore button, which is this small icon on the left hand side. So now let's create a simple Java application using Eclipse to see whether everything is working fine or not. So I minimize this welcome window. Now I'm going to file menu, then I'll click new, then Java project, because I wanted to create a Java project, and here I will name my project as Hello World. Use default location where your project will be saved, and by default it will be saved the directory you have already chosen. Now use the execution environment. It's my version of JDK. Now leave everything as default. Now click on next. This will be the folder structure of my Hello World project. Now I will click on the finish button. So this is my module name, and then check this for generate comments, then click on create. Now I'm going to create simple program, that's why I want to remove this module. So in the src folder, I'm going to add simple Java class. Name of the class hello.java. Select modifier as public. So I want to create the public static void main method inside the class. So I'll check this option also. Then click on finish. When create a class and one main function, which is the main entry point, so I want to add one statement for print hello world message. So I want to write a system.out.println and inside parentheses hello world message. If you want to increase the font size of your code, then go to Window, then Preferences, then General, Appearance, Color and Font. Then click on Java, option the click on Java editor, then Edit, then Font. You can choose bigger font, apply and close. For run this program, click on Run Hello Program. It will compile and display the output our program on console. So this is how you can download and install and use Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.